nothing like living a simple life. Something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms, here at Farpoint Studios, I should say. And it's time for the second to last update. This is, I would say, the sneak preview reveal. And from the outside, it's still kind of a mess, but if we go over here, you'll see that progress is being made here. It's not completely done. I still got to put the supports in, but hey, look at that. We got a ramp. So I can officially start working on mowers and go-karts and ATVs and all the rest. So that'll happen soon. Of course, we're going to put gravel in all around here. We're going to put a patio in right here because that view is definitely worth viewing. Yeah. Well, let's take a look inside. I think last time I showed you the garage portion. Not much to update there. Just still haven't done the insulation on the roof. We still got it sitting out there. I need Jen's help for that one. As you can see, a little bit of a mess over here in the corner as we continue to work, but really is coming along nicely. I don't have the lights on in here. I didn't want to have the generator running. Yeah. But the big reveal. Hey, look at this. Hey, what's all this? Carpeting? Sure. Hey, wow, look at this. Yep. And I'll do a review on that separately. Really cool little item here, but check out the new studio. Check out the new filming area here. I'll be right there. Making the same videos I've been making for years in a small space, and now I got a big space. And since this is a business, and I do run another business out of here, well, thank you Facebook Marketplace for existing. Here's Farpoint World Headquarters. And I'm going to do my video editing up here. Got a computer just for that. And got this desk. This was $100, and oh my gosh, it almost killed me, my truck, and my wife to get it here. But we went and picked that up last weekend and got it placed. My wife did all the nice drywall work here. I think she did a fine job. A few things left to do. I've got that, which is right there. Got a nice fan with a light I need to install today. But I was just toying with the electronics, toying with the layouts. Of course, the radios aren't up here yet. But I thought I'd bring my first computer up here to go with my newest computer. I don't know how many times, or if any of you have even seen that, but that is a homemade Timex Sinclair 1000. It's a ZX81, or I think the Brits call it a ZX81. And I built that in 84, 85. And then later on I made a nice case and got a keyboard out of something from the junkyard, as I recall. And there's the original keyboard layout, so I would know where my stuff went. That's a little Apple IIc monochrome monitor. So what I did is I did a inverse video mod on it, so black is white and white is black, and so it just looks beautiful. And you can see it works. I've got the really, really cool ZXpand, which is a great device. No more cassette tapes. Now I figured I'd bring it up here and have a little fun with it. And on this side, of course, the new computer. Lots of stuff going on there. And these are being run by these power packs. I cannot tell y'all how handy these power packs have come in. I've got the big one running the big computer and the little one running the little computer. And as you can see, both are working quite well. So there will be one more video when all this is done. You can see I've gotten some of my stuff from my youth and some of the stuff here from the channel. I'll be bringing some radios up, maybe another vintage computer, and we'll be going from it. There's a couple of sneak peeks in here as well. The first review you're going to see up here is this Redicus sideband capable shortwave radio. And then we got that. What's that over there? Striker SR 955. Can't wait to do some videos on that. And above it, I went on eBay and found an original Timex Sinclair ZX81 kit. And you know what? I think I'm going to build one exactly 40 years later. So I can't wait to do that. That'll be something I might do with you here on the channel. And I guess I'm going to leave it with this. And that's a thank you. Thank you so much for everything. We're almost at 80,000 subscribers now. This is something that I never thought would go anywhere. And yet here I am just a guy living on his little farm, and I'm truly living the dream. And now I get to share a whole new chapter of that dream with you by bringing you a better place to film, a little cleaner, a little nicer, a little better lit, once the lights are working, and having a professional space to do it in, because I'll be honest with you, what little money I make here on YouTube, the tax man definitely loves to beat me up for it. Between that, the farm, and flipping cars, I've been losing money the last 16, 18 months. We've got a person who's helping us with that now, and hopefully that'll turn some of this around. But it was their idea and the support of my wife that brought all this into place. They said it was time for me to separate my personal life from my business life. And so there we are. That's what we got. Well, I guess that'll do it for today. I'll leave you with the view here from Farpoint Studios. It is beautiful, even as the rain gets ready to come in. Pretty darn cool. Take care, my friends, and thank you.